Gardeners transplant bushes and flowers by moving them from one place to another. Only a few feathered creatures inhabit the Arctic region year-round. Traditionally, sweet cider is served in New England on Thanksgiving Day. Why didn't you telephone the headmaster? I'm not sure he'd be in his office. Are you going to buy some new dishes? Yes, my daughter broke many of our dinner plates. I won't be able to go shopping this weekend. Neither will I. Where's Ollie? He has gone to the bank to deposit a cheque. When's Sarah's birthday? July 20th, the same day as mine. How does Sammy like his new job? He's delighted with it. Did you like the movie last night? No, it was very different from the original story. She was looking forward to seeing the grandchildren again. You are welcome to order the goods now. But payment should be made in advance. Why are you driving so fast? I'm in a hurry. I hear you have started a new job. How do you like it? I have your music CD. I think I also have your concert video. I really have to go now. I have an appointment with the doctor. I can meet you at Tahrir station. Will that be convenient? I would rather have a cup of coffee in the office than sit in a noisy cafe. I was very surprised to hear that she didn't pass the exam. I hope that this winter won't be as cold as the last. Sammy will visit us in the evening. We ought to be ready by then. What did he do yesterday? He went to the doctor. The human brain makes up only 2% of an adult's body weight. Malaria, which can be fatal if left untreated, is transmitted by the female, not by the male, mosquito. For thousands of years, people have used vast amounts of wood for building and heating their homes. Wouldn't you rather we didn't go shopping today? I'm very tired. Fort Niagara was built by the French in 1726 on land bought from the Seneca Indians. The flexibility of film allows the artist to bring unbridled imagination to the animation of cartoon characters. Soil texture depends on the proportions of clay and sand particles, which alter soil porosity. Which car did your son buy? The red one, but I would rather have bought the black one.
Thanks for watching.